So I think probably the three biggest that we see is one of the first ones. People say, "Well, the car's in my name, so it's mine," or "The house is in my name, so it's mine." Um, the way they look at it in Maine in the divorce is they say, "Is this marital property?" And they define that as property accumulated from date of marriage going forward. So that's like assets and debts. Um, so it doesn't matter whose name is on the title, whose name is on the deed. If it's accumulated after the date of marriage, it's going to be most likely deemed marital property. There's exceptions, obviously, to every case. But that's a kind of misconception we see a lot. The other one we see is, well, what if one of the parties doesn't want to sign the paperwork? It doesn't matter if they don't. There's no such thing as them having to sign something. If one party wants to get a divorce, it's going to happen. There's nothing for that person, the other person, to sign. Probably the third one is, is it's going to take it's going to happen quickly. The quickest a party can get divorced in Maine is 60 days from the date of being served the paperwork. That's as soon as the court can grant the divorce, is 60 days from then. If the parties reach an agreement between that time period, the court's going to try to schedule as close as they can to that 60-day period. But it's going to work its way towards, and most likely in a lot of cases, parties are in agreement, and they're going to get scheduled for mediation. Then the court's going to do some schedule for court conferences. So it's going to be 6 months to a year to year and a half, most likely, for cases that are contested and cases that involve a lot of issues, not only just property, maybe some of the child issues that are involved. So those are probably the three biggest misconceptions we see.